friends, welcome back to another video with your girl BB's Crafts. Hi, I'm Brittany and welcome to my channel. So this is an unboxing for Craspire. I have worked with them before. I will leave a link to the videos that I have done with them previously, and today I want to show you some new things that I had received, and I'll also have links to this down below, also coupon codes, so you guys can go ahead and get your shop on. So not only did I get wax melts, I also got dyes. Did you know they have dyes? Oh yes, girl, they got dyes. But we are put that out the way. So I'm gonna start with this. So I got the bigger wax kit, and this just gives me more colors because the last one I got was more pastel. So this gives me more colors. So I have some more of the blue family. We have purple, we have the greens, yellows, pinks, reds, and then we also have black, white. This is kind of like I'm not sure. I think this might be part of like kind of like that gray-ish tone, and then we have like a burgundy, then we have like a gold, and then we have this little fun like greenish color here, I assume. But that's okay because we're gonna later on play with these colors and see how they mix and see how they stamp and all that fun jazz. And then I also got some new stamps to go along with it. So this one, super excited about this. This is a Happy Mail stamp. So it's super cute. So it has the little envelopes there, and then it says Happy Mail on there. So I think that one will be super cute. Great to make some wax melt actual like embellishments to gift to friends. And then this one is actually an imprint of a stamp. So you have the little oops, over here. So you have like the little numbers up there, and then it has like little floral thing going on there, and like I said, it is the shape of a stamp. So that will be really cute. I can't wait to see how that comes out. And then lastly, now this is a different type of stamp. This one doesn't go on the actual little handle. This bad boy is heavy. So look at this one, and then this has a little mail piece with a heart in the center. So you just, you know, lay it down like that, and like I said, this bad boy has some weight to it. So I like that. I can't wait to see how that comes out. So it'll be kind of like a little smaller piece there. So that is the actual stamping ones that I got. And then as far as dies that I received, so of course I did bows. Of course I did bows. So we have like this scallop bow here, and then we have like this little droops. You will cut 2 of those and create your bow there. And then we have the different size basic ones, and then we have your little center piece there. So I can't wait to cut that out. And then this one is more of the flat bow, and so you have your tail here, which kind of gives it like a jagged like leaf impression. And then we have this one here, the scallop holes on the edges there, and then all the little fun fixings that come with this. So we have like different little flower bits, we have some butterflies here, so that is like really super cute. And then I also got the cutest. These are gnomes. I love gnomes. Not like the creepy garden gnomes, but you know what I mean. And so these have hearts in it, so I thought it would be perfect for Valentine's crafting. But of course, like I've always said, hearts are not just for Valentine's. You can use them anytime. But like we have like the body of it. We have 3 different hats. We have the beard, we have the boots, we have the hands and the nose, and then we also have a cover. You have like the braided pigtails, and then you have just like the regular pigtails there, and then we have the accessory pieces. And so we have like some bows that go on there. We have flowers, we have leaves and everything. We have like a little lollipop piece for them to hold, or you can hold the little heart piece there. So this is gonna be so fun to play with. Again, I'll have the links down below in the description box for you. Make sure you check that out. And I'll also have a link of showing you how to navigate the website as well. I did do that previously, so in case you guys need to know what to look for or how to look for things, you have that video as a reference. So thanks so much for hanging out today, guys. I love it when we meet like this. Until next time, bye.